Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use TikTok filter from other people's video. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my mobile phone, and first of all, I'm going to launch my TikTok application on my mobile phone. I'm going to click on my TikTok and then I'm going to use filter from other people's video. I'm just going to find other people's video guys. But if I cannot find the video right here, I'm going to go to the search menu right here, and we're going to search for a specific folder we want to use or we want to apply. For example, I'm going to use the old face folder, so I'm just going to try to search old folder effect, right? And other people's video will appear right here, and you just need to select one of the video. I'm going to select this video guys, and if you want to use filter from this video, we can simply click on this filter or this effect symbol right here shown by this icon. You can click on that and then you will be able to use the effect for your TikTok video. Okay, I'm going to use the effect and I'm going to try it guys. Wait, I'm going to flip my camera. Alright, and this is the result guys. If you want to record it, you just need to click on this button. And wait, I'm going to take recording of my video. Okay, I think that's enough. And I'm going to click on the check mark. Okay, and this is the result guys. And before you post the video to your TikTok, you can edit the video. You can apply filter, apply effect, and then you can also add tags to your video. And then after that, you just need to click on next. Oh my god, the filter is changed. Sorry. Okay, and then once you're ready to share it, you can click on next, and then you'll be able to post the video with this filter on your TikTok. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use TikTok filter from other people's video. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye.